Hello gentlemen, how are you doing? Today I will make you understand fit up. So today's topic is how to fit up pipe to flange or how to make alignment pipe to flange. Here we have, you can see we have here carbon steel pipe. This is our carbon steel pipe, and this is, you can see, this is weld neck flange W and F. Okay, now let's start. I will make you understand step by step. Here first step, level the pipe using spirit level. This is our spirit level. We level the pipe. The bubble should be in the center. Then it means the level of the pipe is right. Step next, place flange to pipe and with welding gap. So here we have welding gap. You can see the welding gap is 2.4 millimeter plus minus 0.8 millimeter. We'll keep gap here. This is our weld neck flange. Let's see next step. In third step, make align top two holes of flange with spirit level. Here you can see this is top two holes. You can see we will make align horizontal position. See, we'll keep the spirit level in a horizontal position. So the spirit level should not be disaligned. So we will keep the spirit level down to the holes. See, the bubble of the spirit level should be in the center. Let's see step 4. We have here step 4. Move flange until the bubble is centered. Make one tuck weld on the top. So you can see here, this is top two holes. You can see here also. Now we will make tuck weld is in the top side. Now in step 5, move the flange until the bubble is centered. Make one tuck weld on the top. So later I will make you understand what is tuck weld. Here we will check the alignment vertical position. The bubble will check the spirit level. Bubble should be in the center. You can see here in the center. If the bubble is in the center, it means alignment is good. Now then after, if the alignment is good, then after we will make here tuck weld. In step 6, center square on face of flange, center rule on top of pipe. Align flange until square and pipe are parallel and tuck weld on both sides. So by using L square, we will measure different position. See, we have measuring tape. If in different position we will get same measurement, it means alignment is good. This is called alignment is good. Then after we will make tuck weld like this way, left side and right side. Now similarly check square on face of flange, left side and right side, and tuck weld both side. See what I said, we will measure in different position by using L square, and we will make measurement this position and this position. If we get in different position same value, then we will make tuck weld left and right side. Next, now also we will measure here three position. We will measure like this way, here and here and here. If the measurement of pipe and the weld neck flange, if we get everywhere same, it means the alignment is good. Then after we will make tuck weld left and right side. Okay friends, thank you for watching. So kindly subscribe, and if you have any question, if you have any doubts, kindly comment in the comment box. Thank you.